Brian Freeman brought his 1959 Impala out to the show today, and it was impressive enough to be declared the winner of the RockAuto Restored Award.
This is a car I always liked as a child, even had a die-cast, and we finally found one for sale in Florida that wasn't in California. It was only in Clearwater, so we went to Clearwater. The gentleman had it on consignment, he'd restored it, sold it to us, so we just drove it. The only thing I did to it, being in Florida, was put AC in it, because it gets real hot in there with big windows, vinyl seats, so you could get AC in 59, it didn't come with that. But pretty much, apart from the color, it's how it came from the factory.
Tell us a little bit about the color combination and what this car was like.
Okay, the original color was a greeny gray metallic, the color of the dashboard, but it was a two-tone car. Originally from the factory, the trunk lid, etc., was painted white to match. I don't like that, so I'm glad he didn't do it that way, but it's got the original motor, two-speed power glide. The motor's been changed slightly with different carburetor because it runs better.
Well, you did mention a little bit of change to the engine. Tell us about the combination.
Okay, the engine is a 283, comes with a two-speed cast iron power glide, which is just great, two-speed. You don't need 8 speeds, right? It's got a different manifold and a 4-barrel on it as opposed to a 2-barrel, so it makes it run a little sweeter, but it still has the original generator, power steering, two-speed wipers, all of that kind of stuff. The electrics are the same as they came from the factory.
Do you have any plans for the vehicle to make any changes in the future?
Well, I think with the idea of putting disc brakes on it, but that's very complex because you've got to change too many things. So other than maintaining it how it is and keeping it running and fixing stuff that needs fixing occasionally, it'll be as it is. It'll never be sold. The children don't want us to sell it, so someone's going to inherit it, and I hope they take care of it when they do.
Congratulations to Brian Freeman and his 1959 Impala on capturing the RockAuto Restored Award here today at Ace Cafe Orlando.